Stay tuned this evening for Harwood. Harwood eats a bowl of cereal. Watch Harwood tonight at 7:22 p.m.
Get informed. Stay informed. News 24/7.
You're watching the ILC, the I Like Cheese Race series.
Welcome to Week 2, Race 5 here at Slap Out, Oklahoma on the Fat Track. I'm your host, Chapman Films, and today is Junkyard Cheese.
Jump, 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 jump. Jump, cheese. Jump! Oh my.
That's right, these are the cars that Commissioner Sammy gets from Wolf 74 or his Aunt Caroline. Cars from the junkyard, the thrift store, pretty much. Thrift store, junkyard cars. So,
Jump, jump.
these cars have seen better days. Let's go over the cars that will be in today's race. We have in the Mitsubishi Evo, we have Thunder exclamation point. Then we also have Big Poppy in the Toyota MR2, and in the Ford Focus RS 2009 edition is Nick Devers.
Nick Devers, custom diecast. Nick Devers, gonna kick watch your mouth. Nick Devers, custom diecast.
You've watched Modified Racing and thought, I would like to do that, but how? Well, here at Nick Devers Racing, we have just the modified menu for you. Wheel swaps, weight added, or just put a screw in it so you can work on it yourself. We can do it all. For more information, contact ndeavers80@gmail.com. That's ndeavers80@gmail.com.
Today's race is brought to you by China Palace. Please don't order the number 2 because it's not really good for you. That's China Palace. Alright, we'll go to a commercial and then we will go racing.
China food is really good. Chinese food is understood. Please come get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. Chinese food is really great. Chinese food is no mistake. Come get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. China Palace is really good. China Palace is really great. Please don't order the number 2. It's not really good for you.
That is China Palace at 412 West Main Hill at Slapout, Oklahoma. We know see your cat. Quit asking. Now. Remember, today's race is sponsored by China Palace. Please don't order the number 2 because it's not really good for you. That's China Palace. Big Poppy in the MR2 on the pole. Whichever driver gets 2 wins will be today's winner. Whoever wins 2 rounds, that is. Now, here we go. There we go. Oh, no! Oh, they all crash! Oh, my goodness. Nick Devers and Thunder are still on the track, so we are sure Commissioner Sammy will announce. Oh no, Big Poppy is definitely off the track. A DNF. Oh, the crowd is so mean here at Slap Out, Oklahoma. My goodness. It looks like Thunder exclamation point and Nick Devers will start first and second in round 2. Let's go to a commercial.
I have to wear them. They even have racer flags on them.
Benjamin Franklin's adult diapers, now with racing flags on them. Get yours today at any local TGNY and Food Kins gas station emporium.
Diapers,
So Nick Devers will start first. No one won round 1, so somebody has to win round 2 and round 3. Whoever gets 2 wins will be today's winner. Nick Devers in first. There we go. Oh no! Nick crashed, I think. Let's check. Yes, he's off the track. There's no more cars left. Let's wait for what Commissioner Sammy is deciding. This has never happened in the ILC, but we never ran junk cars from the junkyard on the track. My goodness, this is very interesting. Only Thunder, exclamation point, has finished the race. Last car standing. Okay, we're getting word from Commissioner Sammy. Oh, he's declaring Thunder the winner because he is the last car on the track. My goodness, Thunder, exclamation point, wins today's race.
Come and get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. Come and get your Chinese food. Everybody look at the toilet stool.
That is China Palace at 412 West Main here at Slapout, Oklahoma. We now serve authentic Mexican food. You eat, it's okay. Don't worry, it's all right.
We clean just for you.
That's We Clean Laundry, 420 West Main, Slapout, Oklahoma, 73848. Also open on Christmas Day.
Leaders board, everybody talking about leaders board.
So Thunder, exclamation point, will go on to the finals in week 4, race 5. Today's race was a complete fail. It wasn't fat track racing, it was demolition racing. Thunder, exclamation point, was the last man standing. That's the first time we've ever had that happen in the ILC. Alright, stay tuned in a couple days so you'll see the Hot Dog City Seafood Hut time trials. I'm your host, Chapman Films, and we'll see you guys next time. Maybe next time. Bye.
Fork in me, I'm done. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Eggo waffles, eat them all the time. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Oh, stick a fork in me, I'm done. Cheese balls.